everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chai XO Latte. I'm Chai and today I am doing a press-on set. I'm going to be walking you guys through how I got my press-ons looking fly and looking sleek, okay? Real simple process. Right here you see me applying my acrylic. Now I know a lot of people may use like a 2 bead method or like a 3 bead method, but honestly I just use however many beads it takes me to get a nice smooth application. If you guys would like to see a video on how I apply my acrylic in depth, definitely leave me a comment down below and I will do that for you guys. I will tell you one thing that I learned when it comes to applying acrylic to the press-ons. When it comes to the cuticle area, you want to make sure that you are not applying too much acrylic in that area because when it dries, it will become very tight and uncomfortable. So you want to make sure your acrylic is very thin in that area. Once I have applied acrylic to all 10 of my nails, I'm going in and shaping up everything and buffing everything down. And my favorite part of this process is applying alcohol to all the nails because look at how smooth that is. Now it is time to get into my nail art, and before I begin applying any official nail art designs, I like to go in with top coat just to make sure that my base is smooth. And from here on out, I'm just going to allow you guys to watch the video because everything that I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory. If you enjoy videos like this, definitely subscribe, leave me a like, and let me know what other kind of videos you would like me to do. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.